So you want to learn how to use Atomic Hub? Well, you came to the right place. I'm Shawn. That's Aidan. We're here from Just Learn Crypto. And today we're going to show you all about Atomic Hub, which is our favorite marketplace for buying, selling, making, and trading NFTs on the Wax blockchain. So for checking out this video. If you guys don't have a Wax wallet yet, check out our other video because we just made one to teach you guys how easy it is to make the Cloud Wax wallet. Once you have that wallet, you can actually sign in to any of the dApps that are available on your Wax Cloud wallet. Today, we're going to teach you about this marketplace because I'm sure you're excited to buy some NFTs and start trading and making some money. So, Aidan, there's a ton of amazing marketplaces out there. Why is Atomic Hub your favorite?
Really, it's a very simple reason. They have the best user interface. It's very easy to use and very intuitive. So we love Atomic Hub and the stuff that they're doing. It gives you endless options without overcomplicating anything.
Absolutely, man. And there's, the great thing about Wax is that it's an open blockchain. So there's closed blockchains, for example, which hosts the NBA Top Shot NFTs, the biggest NFT collection that we saw so far in 2021, grossing over $400 million of sales. They are a closed blockchain. I can't go and make my own NFT collection on the Flow blockchain, but on Wax, anyone can make an NFT collection. That's what's so great about it. And there's so many creative projects coming out. So without further ado, we're just going to dive right in, guys, and show you how to use the Atomic Hub Marketplace. Okay, so now that you've got your Wax wallet open, on the left, you're going to hit dApps. This is going to bring you to basically the app page for all the apps that are built on the Wax blockchain. There's tons of them. Check them out. There's a lot of really cool ones that you can use. We're going to just go into Atomic Hub, which is right at the top. So the first thing that you're going to see when you get here is at the top right, you're going to want to log in. First thing you want to do, click that. You're going to sign in with your Wax wallet. This process is the same for all of the dApps. So you sign in with your Wax wallet, whether it's a game or a marketplace, whatever Wax or NFTs you have in your Wax wallet, you can now use and interact with those in the dApp. So Aidan's going to show you around the marketplace. Really quick before he does that, on this homepage, it's one of the best places for you to find out upcoming drops. They usually are advertised right here. We've got Graffiti Kings, May 22nd in a couple days. This is going to be a pack drop. So you can actually buy these digital packs that have random cards inside, which are NFTs. So you might actually get a mint one NFT from a $5, $10, $20, $30, $40 pack of cards. If you're not lucky enough to actually buy them directly from the drop, they're going to be available on the secondary market. And Aidan's going to dive into all that with you guys here in a sec.
All right, guys, so now that we've understood the homepage a little bit, we're going to go more into the different sections of Atomic Hub. So at the top here, we have Explorer, which is going to show you stuff that's going on recently and be able to show you the last NFTs that have been minted and released for sale. Market is going to show you NFTs that are for sale from other users. Trading is going to allow you to actually trade one NFT for another or multiple other NFTs. An NFT creator, which we're going to dive into more in a future video, so you can create your own assets and NFTs. This search box here, if you're looking for something very specific, can help you to get there. And then you have this drop-down menu where you can select only Tops NFTs, only R2 NFTs, and just kind of filter that way, so you can have the whole interface centered around what you care about most.
Especially because Wax is an open blockchain, there's a lot of different collections, right? So they've given us a lot of ways to filter out some of the noise, because if they didn't have those filters, you'd just be looking at thousands of NFTs when maybe you're just looking for one specific collection.
Right. I'm sure there's someone out here looking for corn chips, but it's not everybody. Over here, you're going to see your notifications. So they're under maintenance, but generally it will show you when something's sold, when something's hit a price that you're looking for, etc. And then from this drop-down menu, you can view your inventory, your listings, your auctions, or log out to make sure your wallet stays secure.
90% of the time you're going to be on the market, guys. So we're going to show you how to use the market here first.
Yeah, so the first thing you'll see at the top here is that you have sales and you have auctions. So you can view both and be able to bid on things that are based on an auction, or you can just buy a sale right away and get it into your wallet. Over here on the left, you're going to see filters by collection. So for example, today we're going to go to our favorite collection, which is Mutant Rockers by R2 Collectibles. Here you're going to be able to filter by rarity. So if, for example, we're looking for an epic NFT, it's going to filter out everything else. Here you can filter by series, and here you can filter by the number of the release. Here you're going to be able to find if there's bundle listings, if you just want to buy bundles, or if you just want to buy individual NFTs. So for now, let's go to no bundle listings.
So Aidan, let's say I want to find a mint one from series one. How would I do that on the marketplace?
Great question. So up here, you're going to see sub filters where you can go by collection. So if you go to series one, it's going to bring you to the Mutant Warrior stuff, which was their first release. Then you said you wanted a mint one.
Yeah, I want to see if I can find a cheap mint one.
So what you can do is you can put max mint as one.
Okay.
And that's going to filter out everything that's not a mint one.
So now it's only showing me the mint ones on the marketplace.
You got it. So then to take it even further, you can go price lowest, and it's going to filter them by price. So you have a 5,000 wax mint one here, and that's the cheapest mint one you can.
That would be the cheapest one. So if I wanted to find the cheapest pack, because that's a great way to find some really good NFTs, you might pull a mint one out of the pack, right? So if I want to find the cheapest pack, would I just do it the same way?
Exactly. So you just go to packs here. And then because we don't care as much about the mint number when it comes to packs, we just take that out. And then you're going to see the cheapest packs are these 4-card packs. Or sorry, 1-card packs from their promos.
Okay.
Now, speaking of promos, you can also filter to see just promo cards. You can filter just premium cards, et cetera, et cetera. Every collection is going to have different categories. So make sure to do your own research and really look into something.
So if I wanted to, say I was on the marketplace, these Mutant Warriors caught my eye, I wanted to dive a little bit more into this collection. Can you show me how to do that?
Absolutely. So if you click on any asset from the collection, you're going to see here that the collection name is mutants.r2. So this is going to tell you a little bit about the collection. It's going to
now you're on the collection page now.
Exactly. So it's going to have a link to their website as well. So you can look more into the collection and follow up on future drops. And yeah,
this is a really important step, guys, when you're researching potentially investing into an NFT collection, is you want to go check out their website. You want to see if they have social media. The same way you would want to research a cryptocurrency before investing in it. You want to look at it and do your due diligence the same way with these.
Another really important thing to know is when you are looking through and, oh, this one looks cool, so I want to pick up a copy of this NFT.
Yeah.
Once you click on
the
the
NFT,
NFT,
only $6 there.
Yeah, so this is 50 wax, $6. But how do you know if that's a good deal, right? So what you're going to want to do first is click on the template ID.
Okay.
And go to view on market. And then it's going to filter by just that one individual asset.
And then you can filter down for the cheapest one.
Yep. And so then you're going to see, okay, that is a good deal. You know, that's the cheapest one that's on the market.
Awesome. I definitely made the mistake of overpaying for some NFTs when I first got into this.
Me too. The next thing that we're going to go through is your inventories.
All right, now we're going to check out the inventory. So once you buy NFTs, this is where you're going to go see what you got. Whether it's a pack or an NFT, you're pretty much going to want to do everything from this page now. So at the top, you're going to see your wallet ID. Aidan's is 4i5ay.wam. Yours is obviously going to be different. You can change your avatar. You can get into your settings. We'll let you guys mess around with that. It's pretty standard stuff. You have a couple options. You've got your inventory page. You can also see all the items that you have listed by hitting My Listings. You can see all of your auctions by hitting My Auctions. You can see all the NFTs you've sold in the past because all of this stuff is permanently recorded on your blockchain. And you can also see everything you've bought, collections, watch lists, etc. So for this video, you know, we're going to be using Aidan's wallet. He's got a lot of different NFTs in here. So we're going to show you how to filter through. So starting at the top here, you've got all collections. You'll see Aidan has 1,432 NFTs sitting in this wallet. You can see by name which one you want to go with. So if you wanted to just look at his mutants.r2, you would click on that one. Now you're only going to see those. Now, say you want to filter down even more. The main thing that I typically filter with is the rarities. So if I want to see all of my legendary ones, I would click legendary or epic or rare. And now you're going to be able to see that. Not only are you going to be able to see your NFTs, but you can see the estimated value, both in wax and also in the dollar value at the very top right above your entire collection there. So that's something that you're going to want to keep an eye on to see what the estimated value of your collection is. That might indicate whether you want to keep holding it, or maybe you might want to list it on the market or put it up for auction. You can also search by only whitelisted NFTs, which is going to show you just the verified collections that you have. A lot of the smaller collections, including the Just Learn Crypto NFTs, which haven't been verified yet, you're going to have to deselect only whitelisted NFTs in order to be able to see them in your own inventory. So that's an important thing. If you can't find an NFT that you just bought, maybe you have only whitelisted NFTs selected. Aidan, what are some other cool things that you typically filter with on the inventory?
So something that I just recently discovered that's very useful is to change transferred newest to transferred oldest. And this allows you to see things that you've had in your wallet for a long time. Maybe you want to get rid of them. And I know for myself, I'm buying a lot more volume than I was at the beginning. So this allows you to see things that you're still holding, you know, one or two of. Another great one is to go by mint lowest. So this way you can see all of your mint ones and go through it that way.
Sweet.
I always recommend, you know, just play around with it, try all the different filters, get yourself comfortable with it. But like we said before, the user interface is just amazing.
So guys, up to this point in this video, you should now understand how to search on the market for different collections, how to use most of the filters, how to get into your inventory. Now we're quickly going to show you how to list an NFT for sale. So let's dive into that right now.
All right, guys, so for the last section of the video, we're just going to show you how to open packs as well as list assets on the marketplace. So the first thing you're going to do is go to more, then you're going to go to unpacked. That's going to bring up this page here, and it's going to show you all the packs that you have from that collection. So for this pack here, we're going to hit unbox. And it's going to create your transaction. And then for some collections, you're going to get a pretty cool video that's going to play here. So you're just going to click on it. Make sure that you're not a robot, no robots allowed.
Let's go. I love those animations. What did we get? Uncommon. So awesome.
So then if you go back to your inventory, you're going to see the NFT that came out of the pack. And there you are.
So why don't you show them how to put that NFT up for sale now?
Absolutely. So once we go to list on market here, so there's a few things to note here. So first of all, you're going to have the option to sell it for a set price or to auction it. So if you go to sale, you can choose if you want to list it in USD or if you want to list it in wax. Either way, the end user is going to be paying in wax, but it's a good way to set the amount of US dollars you want to receive for the NFT. You're going to see the lowest market listing right now is 28 wax, but the suggested price is 8, and that's based on this sale history down below. So you're going to be able to see the mint number as well as what it's sold for. And now the mint number is important, for example, with this here, where it shows mint number 1 went for 122 wax. That doesn't mean that yours is going to go for that much.
Why don't you explain the fees? Because there's a collection fee, a marketplace fee, and a tokenomics fee. And all of those come into play. You got to keep that in mind when you're listing a price.
Absolutely. So the collection fee goes to the creator of the collection. So if you create an NFT and someone buys it and then sells it to someone else, they're taking 8% on that resale.
Or whatever price that collection sets.
Right. It's usually between 5 and 10%. Marketplace fee and tokenomics fee are more standardized. So this helps to improve AtomicHub and is their way of paying their people. and tokenomics is for the blockchain of wax. So once we decide on a price, so lowest market listing is 28. So let's list it for 27. And we're going to hit confirm. And it will show you
why
here.
did you put it at 27?
So typically, if you're the cheapest on the market, I will help you to sell it a little quicker. And yeah, I mean, you'll make one less wax, but it will always come up at the top when someone searches on the market by lowest price. You will receive 23.76 wax. So this is after all the fees. You're going to hit confirm. And you're going to get this here. So then you're going to see that you can close it now. So once you close it, then if you go up here to my listings, you're going to see that your most recent listing is Jack Sabbath, and it's on sale for 27 wax.
Awesome. All right. Well, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching the Just Learn Crypto channel. If you want to see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel. Also, every Saturday, guys, at 4 p.m. Eastern, we do our Just Learn Crypto Saturday sesh. It's an open Zoom call. Anyone can join and come be part of the audience. If you want to get the link to that, make sure to join our Telegram group. It's t.me/justlearncrypto, just like this. We're also doing NFT drops every Saturday on the Saturday sesh. So if you want to get your hands on a Just Learn Crypto NFT, there's only 111 that go for sale every Saturday. You got to be on the show. Come check us out and keep learning, guys.